back to the village, and it was the dam here was overflowing. And I'm just washing my hands. The water feels so fresh. And I did one experiment with water lid to see if they would immediately go down or just slow down. I'm gonna put this one right here. You see? It falls down and it's over here. You can get that. We did this experiment from way back there till all the way down there. It was so fun. Seeing how the water moves these lids shows it's not just water flowing. It's also spinning and making waves in different ways, like two waves crossing, making a square wave. So this was a lot of fun, and also when you see here, just look at all these rocks, and when you get some out, it is enough to cause a landslide from all those rocks. And also down there there's like a quick mud. I had a hard time getting out of that. Actually it was easy. You just quickly go through that. And we're gonna see this thing go from here all the way there. I'm gonna throw this over there. It's gonna come up and the water current is gonna push it slowly over there. But when it comes to just the water, it's a lot of fun playing with it. And also, you see aerodynamics when you throw things in it, like sticks or something, like rocks. And also, you have a flat enough water, you can just skip it here. And also, this is a ton of fun. There's a waterfall here and another one here. So these two waterfalls are part of one massive dam. When it comes to other bodies of water, it's not massive. Waterfall from here, goes through here, and then all the way over there. So, guys, let's overflow because it's a beautiful water flow, and then into a waterfall, and then into a smaller water pool. And the lid is already running away from us. I have to get it before it gets into a part where it would be quick mud. So, guys, just look at how beautiful it is, even if it's so small. Bigger waterfalls look more beautiful, but when it comes to smaller ones, you can see the beautiful pattern they have created from the molding of this clay in this area, and then it just makes it so beautiful. And that's definitely not beautiful. This is like a tiny cave, but it's also a dangerous cave. Take out this and you're gonna take out these. So I have to go follow the lid as well. And also, guys, I hope you like this view of this waterfall. And I'll see you later.